In today's video, I will teach you how to create compelling Instagram videos in PicMonkey. Let's get started. First, create a canvas with your preferred size. To do this, go to PicMonkey's homepage, click the Edit New Image button, and select Blank Canvas. Now, scroll down until you see the Instagram category. Here, you can choose the Instagram canvas preset of your choice. However, you can also start with a completely free and customizable template. Just go back to PicMonkey's homepage, click the Edit New Image button, and select Templates. In the editor, you will notice a wide variety of templates at the left side. But you can also narrow down your choices by typing in a keyword of your choice. Now, simply click the template that you want and it will automatically appear on your canvas. Now, you can use PicMonkey's easy-to-use design tools, graphics, images, and text to make a compelling Instagram video. To add graphics, simply go to the sidebar, open the Graphics tab, and here, you can choose from thousands of graphics elements in PicMonkey's graphics library. The graphics are neatly categorized, so you can find specific graphics elements easier. But if you would like to be more specific, you can simply type in the keyword on the search bar to find the exact graphics element that you're looking for. To customize your graphics, simply select the graphics element that you wish to edit, and a new set of editing tools will appear on the sidebar. Here, you have the option to change the color of the element and even turn it into a gradient. You also have the option to add shadows and outline and fill your graphics element with an image. To upload your image to PicMonkey, simply press the Add Photo or Video button, then select the source of your file. Now, you can simply click the uploaded image and it will automatically appear on your canvas. To add text to your design, simply go to the sidebar and open the Text tab. Here, you can either use PicMonkey's text presets to make designing easier for you. Alternatively, you can add your own text box if you have a specific design in mind. You can change the font style, size, color, and alignment at the sidebar as well. Now, make sure that the text and graphics layers are arranged accordingly, especially if you're using multiple text and graphics layers. To manage your layers, go to the side panel at the right side of the editor, or click the Layers button at the bottom right side of the editor if the panel is not visible. And here, you can move the layers up and down depending on how visible you would like them to be. Take note that the uppermost layers are going to be at the foreground of your design, and the bottommost layers are going to be at the background of your canvas. Now, just play around with your design until you're satisfied. And once you're done, you can now download it to your computer or share it to your social media. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.